Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a virgin margarita. Now I know a lot of people that watch my videos that don't drink. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this mocktail we're gonna use lemon lime soda. I got Sprite here. Agave syrup, you can also use simple syrup. Fresh orange juice, fresh lemon juice, and fresh lime juice. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Next we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Half ounce of fresh orange juice. One ounce of agave syrup. Now we're just gonna shake it. Now I'm just gonna pour this into the glass. And finally, I'm just gonna tap it out with Sprite. Just gonna mix this. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a virgin margarita. Alright, if you guys like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!